Welcome back to SKIBIDITech. Few months back, I made a video on how to install Kodi on iOS devices. That video was for jailbreak devices. In today's video, I will show you how you can install latest Kodi 21.0 Amiga in iPhone or iPad without jailbreak. Kodi is a powerful and versatile media player that can be used for various multimedia purposes, from playing local files to streaming online content. As you can see for this, I am using iPhone 12 Pro, running on iOS 17.5.1. For this process, I will use FlekStore. FlekStore provides a way for iOS users to access a wider range of apps and customizations without jailbreaking their devices. I already made a video on it, how to install FlekStore on iPhone or iPad. I will put the download link in the description. After installing the FlekStore and activating your device, simply open and then go to the Movies section. In Movies section, you will see Kodi Amiga 21.0 version. Simply hit on it. Now hit on Sign App option. It will take a little while to download signed files and archiving IPA. Once it will be completed, simply hit on Install. Now this will install Kodi Amiga in your iOS device.
So if I play dead, will you regret everything that you did, that you said? I don't think you understand what you're doing.
Once installation completed, simply open the Kodi app, but it will ask you to turn on the developer mode. Now simply go back to Settings, then open Privacy and Security Settings, then scroll down. There you will see Developer Mode. Simply turn it on. Then it will ask you to restart your phone. Simply hit on Restart.
I wish I wasn't struck by Cupid. I wish when I first saw you I knew this. When I'm with you I feel so useless. I feel diluted. My heart.
As you can see now in my phone privacy and security settings, now developer mode is on.
Never really know just what you want.
Now go back to Kodi Amiga app and open it, and you will able to run Kodi on your iPhone without any problem. I will put the FlekStore link in my description. Those who will buy certificate for FlexStore activation from my link will get 2 months of premium as a gift. Hope you liked the video. Keep supporting my channel and don't forget to subscribe.